Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera not focusing on Edge 90 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option. After click on reset option, click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so first of all, clean lens with the help of tissue paper. After clean camera lens, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button and restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera not focusing on Edge 90 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.